Mount a GoPro in here and light up, and let's see what happens.
My old washer, we did a test. We did like all whites and we did one color. It had like a clear glass and you could actually see your clothes. Nothing had moved. The colored garment was still in the same place that we had put it. Just wasn't enough water. I was only here for 2 weeks, so it was not getting my clothes clean. We took it back to Lowe's, and a lady, she said, don't tell anybody I told you this, but, Speed Queen is the best. Where did I go to get one of these? And she said, has furniture, local furniture store in town. I bought the Speed Queen, and they all came out clean. Nothing was tangled together. Nothing was torn up, and it was just perfect.
Well, you want to take a look on the inside of your washer?
Sure. You're so funny. I can tell it's actually washing the clothes in comparison to the old washer.
But it's not destroying your expensive shirt.
Before, it was pre-treating and let the clothes soak, and I don't even bother with that anymore. It's just effortless. I just throw my clothes in there and push start. Speed Queen, it passed the test.